So, someone has a Glock with the switch.
Everybody on the deck. I mean it.
That's a fucking felony right there, bitch. I got less lethal.
Yeah.
Fuck, that has my heart fucking
Yeah,
racing.
mine too.
Fucking shit. Glock with the fucking switch is illegal as fuck. What the fuck?
Someone had a gun on them.
Hey, it's a Glock with the switch, which means you can switch it between semi and full fucking auto. Which is,
That's why they need to show proof of residence before coming out.
hey, because Glock with the switch is illegal as shit.
But I'm saying they need to show proof.
Glock with the switch is illegal as hell. Because Glock with the switch is a freaking felony.
I know, but my check said that's why they got everybody out.
I think I recognize
What happened, dude?
Oh, they're trying to rob somebody, I think.
I see somebody recording. I didn't know you were one of them.
What? Supposedly someone was trying to rob someone, I just heard.
That's what I just said.
And someone else said it too. Oh.
That was a short trip.
Short trip. Mm.